Hey everybody, this is Kip. We're in Winston-Salem at Reynolda Gardens. I volunteer here to deadhead the roses, and we do that on Monday morning. So I'm looking at the work I'm going to be having to do this Monday, and this is a hybrid tea rose. What we'll be doing, this bloom is about spent. It's almost finished, and it'll definitely be ready for a prune when we come in on Monday. Is we're going to look down the cane, and we're going to find the first set of leaves that has five leaflets on the leaf, and we will cut above that. So we don't just come in and cut the top off. We actually come down to here because the hormones will then potentially send out another growth spurt, and we'll get another flower at the end of the rose. We've got hundreds and hundreds of blooms to be enjoying today that will probably be spent and ready for some pruning on Monday. And now we're going to go walk over and try to find one of the roses that we don't have to prune, because I think everyone's kind of interested in the low maintenance rose, and I've got one here that I've heard great things about. So let's go take a look. This is Miracle on the Hudson. This is a shrub rose. It comes in this gorgeous velvety red, and this is one of the roses that we don't have. It's kind of self-cleaned, so I thought I would share it with you. They pulled all of their knockout roses here because of rose rosette virus, so this is an alternative. Not saying it won't get it, but apparently it's less prone, so I'm going to be planting this in my garden as soon as I can find it. But isn't this absolute stuff? Miracle on the Hudson. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. Come visit us at Winston-Salem. So, Winston-Salem, gorgeous Reynolda Gardens. Who doesn't love a yellow rose?